slept like 10. It's time to find breakfast, find a souvenir store. We found a place to ship stuff home, so we need to find somewhere to buy some artwork. First we need breakfast, then we will figure out where we're going from there. We might have found another waterfall about an hour and a half north of Reykjavik. Check this out. We just walked out of a parking garage right into the harbor. It is windy today, but it's beautiful. We found breakfast. It was very good. What was it called? The
Laundromat Cafe.
Laundromat Cafe. A lot of food. Definitely didn't eat it all.
Oh, that sounds bad. We didn't eat close.
We didn't close. I don't know what she's saying. We are trying to still find an art gallery that we can buy either a sculpture or a painting by a local artist, but we're striking out so far, asking locals to where we might find one. So we'll see what we can do. It's like the world's longest hopscotch. I'm curious what the game actually is, but as you'll see, we're only at like number 50.
I think it was like
all the way down the street.
108.
Right? What a cool little part of town. That's the one. Coming home. All right, artwork purchased.
Check.
From a local co-op art gallery of, I think it was 12 or 14 local Icelandic women artists. So we bought a piece there. They're going to package up, ship it home. And actually, they're like, oh, it'll be there in 7 days. We're like, oh crap, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, we won't be there yet. So please delay shipping. It's crazy that you can get stuff packaged, boxed up, and to your door across the world in a week. Pretty awesome. So souvenir place we found said the easiest way to get souvenirs back home is actually to go on their website for their store. Just order it there, they'll pack it up and send it. So that makes life even easier. We don't have to get stuff boxed up and take it to a DHL or anything. They'll take care of it. So that's done. Now we're gonna hike back to the apartment, grab a couple things, jump in the car, start driving, and see what we come up with. Big difference is here, people actually know how to use them, so it doesn't mess things up and they fly like roundabouts are supposed to. Unlike back home, and roundabouts equal like almost certain freaking death depending where they're at. Yeah, panic. People stop in the middle of them, don't understand. I've seen people drive right over the middle. It's back home roundabouts are chaos. Here, they're smooth, easy, and freaking awesome. So we got an hour and a half-ish drive to get to our first destination. I don't know if the camera can do it justice, but the wind is whipping so fast that it just pushes these clouds off the top of the mountain. And as soon as they roll down a little bit, they just dissipate, gone. But it's like a horror movie watching them come rolling over. It's super cool looking. Found our way to another waterfall. We drove past the first stop. Too many people. It was insane. It was a geyser. This is massive.
Are calling me down to the river again. I've got doubts in my hair, and I wish I could feel your ghost in these winds. You say you're steady and kind.
So I want to find a way down to the river. We always want to find the sketchiest place to be, not the place that's safe where everybody else is at. A cool rainbow down there. Yeah, maybe we'll have to get creative. Look on the map and see if we can find where the river comes out, and so we'll park down that way and hike up it. We're back on the road again. We have been for a little bit. So I opened Google Maps and just dropped a random pin and started driving. And we have ended up on a gravel, dirt, pothole-filled road, and the sign said SUVs and trucks only. Oh my good God. But we're taking the car anyway. But I think we have like another 20 kilometers to get to where we're going down this. Maybe this is a bad idea. I don't know. I think we're headed way out somewhere there. Lesson learned, if you're going to go too far exploring past tourist areas out here, rent an SUV. I don't know. This is crazy. I think we're going up that mountain over there, coming in hot. That's what we need. We need that thing. And I've noticed everybody with those big off-road type vehicles have auto fillers on their tires, which makes me a little concerned, but you know.
Oh, I need a swift current to knock me off my feet.
25 minutes later, we're still on gravel road here, but we've come across the river that the glacier melt comes down into. The temperature is down to 6 degrees Celsius. It's been a very bumpy ride, but we're going to try and make it around a little bit further and see what we got. But this has been a very interesting drive over, that is for sure. So we're on another wood bridge. Back there's where we came from. Wrapped around the road, all through there. And the glacier straight ahead over there. But we're officially at our pin drop location. And I did, on the map you can see it. Straight across is the glacier. You can see the bottom of it coming over. But it's all covered in clouds, which sucks. Ooh, that wind. It is cold and windy, and I really wanted to see that. I think when we make our trip back here again, we'll bring a hiking attire and proper warm clothes for this, and actually park somewhere and just freaking hike to it. That'd be the best way to do it. She's jumping around trying to stay. So I think we're gonna about face and take the drive back toward Reykjavik. I think we have an early flight tomorrow, so we're going to leave the apartment about 5 a.m. and get moving. So take some pictures. It's like a 25-minute drive to get to the nearest gas station. We made it back in one piece down. Luckily the tire wasn't completely trashed. I love these scooter things everybody rides. They're awesome. So we're wandering around. I'm gonna go find dinner. No Sbarro New York pizza. We found an Icelandic restaurant we wanted to eat at, but no reservations open until 9 o'clock tonight. And like we said, we have to get to bed early. So I think we're gonna leave the apartment at 5 in the morning tomorrow to probably 4:45. I don't know, we gotta see. I think we did about 350 kilometers of driving today, which I don't know off the top of my head what the conversion is to that to miles. We'll figure it out. So I'm gonna track daily how much we travel in a car, because I know we're going to be driving a lot in Switzerland too. So catch up with you guys a little later.
Success.
Success?
Yeah.
Dinner? Not a success.
I like
That's why you don't let her pick. We're in Iceland and we go to a burger and ribs place.
And I thought the burger was pretty dang good.
She thought the burger was really good. I got a chicken sandwich.
It didn't look so hot.
It wasn't so hot. So we are walking through the harbor area, checking out some of the new buildings, and we're gonna head back, do some laundry, pack, sleep. So this pretty much the uneventful end of day 2 on the trip. Day 2 in Iceland. You guys know tomorrow morning we head to Zurich. So we'll catch up with you guys on day 3.